I was at a party recently where there was a wandering conversation about movies. Lots of movies were being thrown about in the discussion, often with key details left out due to poor memory. I made the offhand comment that I wish we had the internet, then we could just look up the information and have it correct. One of the guests, an intelligent, well-educated person, said in response, "Isn't it better sometimes not to know, to enjoy the mystery?" I resisted the urge to yell no back at her at the top of my lungs. Mostly because it would have disrupted the party, and I was trying to be polite. So I let the issue fall to the wayside and the conversation returned to its prior course. The party went on, and I assume it was forgotten by everyone else. But that question is important. Is it better to just enjoy the mystery, to not have answers to your questions? Unequivocally no. Ignorance should never be valued over knowledge. If an answer is available for a question, it should be found. If no answer is available, it should be pursued. This is as equally valid for tiny trivia as it is for questions about the origins of the universe. There are times when a good mystery is fun, such as in a book or a movie. But does the viewer not feel cheated if at the conclusion nothing is revealed? A mystery for mystery's sake is a poor substitution for knowledge. Selling mystery as a benefit is often the sign of a weak mind attempting to make up for a lack of knowledge, or even worse, to deliberately hide logical flaws. The best example of this is the Christian mystery of the Holy Trinity, where the nature of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit is not only unknown, but always said to be unknowable. It is a mystery that cannot be solved, thus removing the need to logically explain any of it. When I was a kid, my dad would often ask us about our days over dinner. When, through the course of this discussion, there were things we didn't know, my father encouraged us to go look them up. Looking back, it is amazing that my parents allowed us to leave the dinner table, go pick up the relevant volume out of our World Book encyclopedias, and read from it at the dinner table. But we did it because it is always better to know than not to know. This value of knowledge was instilled in us at a very young age, and has been a strong shaper in my personal growth. Not everything can be known. The world is simply too complex and too vast for that to happen. But that is no reason not to take up the pursuit. The thrill of mystery should not replace this pursuit. Always seek knowledge, always seek understanding. As the Joes were fond of saying, knowing is half the battle.